Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. This month on Resin Bell, we're going to be doing 30 pours in 30 days. Oh my gosh. A resin on a resin channel? Shocking. I know, right? So we're going to be working with UV resin, epoxy resin. We're going to be doing dirty pours, coasters, jewelry, trays, all kinds of different things. So it's going to get wild. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be working on a tray that I've had in mind for a while. I've had the supplies with this for a good while, and I'm just now getting around to it. So, you know, stuff comes back around. I found this coffin-shaped tray at a thrift store for a couple dollars, and I purchased this candy mix. It's like a hard candy mix during Halloween last year because I wanted to make this tray. And then I have some of these that I picked up on clearance for like $1 a piece, just to add in with it. Just some other, these are the hard candy sprinkles that you'd put on like cupcakes and stuff. And so I've just kind of placed that bag of them. This was what it looked like. It was boil and bubble sprinkles from the sweet shop. And then these are just some random ones here that I like the colors of. I'm just going to sprinkle these all in, kind of create a little bit more colors there. And then this one. And while this one is a Halloween version, you could use this in any style. These would make, you know, coasters for summer or for a birthday party, or, you know, all kinds of fun things. I'll show you some of the other candies that I picked up when these were on clearance. So I've got like this one has like flowers, and this one has like little red balloons, and this one has little pink hearts. How cute are those? But I mean, so you can get sprinkles for any occasion pretty much, and you can put those in any kind of resin, a coaster, a tray, you know, a jewelry thing, anything you can think of, you could put these in, and then they stay good inside the resin, so you don't have to worry about them breaking down or having any issues or anything. So fun little technique here. And I'm going to mix up some of this Tea Expert resin. It's a UV resistant resin, and I'm trying to use up a bunch of my old stock of resin and stuff, so lots of fun projects this month. Okay, so after this, we're going to be putting some window clings. I got these during Halloween last year. I'm going to be putting these window clings into the resin as well, but first we're going to do our first layer, which is the candy layer. Alright, I've got this mixed up. I'm just going to use the stick kind of slowly drop it across. Alright guys, I mixed up some more resin, and now I'm ready for pour number 2. Right now there is not enough to cover the candy, but it was enough to hold the candy in place. So now I'm going to put on the second coat. Okay guys, got that final one poured and ready. I think this turned out so cool. I love the depth with the candy at the bottom and then the decals up higher. It makes it look kind of like a bubbling cauldron of stuff. Anyway, I dig it. I think it looks really cool. So one side note, so when you're putting your decals on, let your layer of resin cure to the point where it's firm and it, you know, couldn't run or be pushed up, but it's still tacky. And then these decals are going to stick really well. Like they just stick right on and they will not move on you. So I put mine in a little bit soon. My layer was still kind of gooey, but it was late at night and you know I wanted to make sure they were in there good, so that's why some of the edges curl a little bit. So if you wait until your layer is firm but tacky, they'll stick on real good for you. So this was a fun project and yeah, I love it. This is going to be great for setting candles on or decorations or you know all kinds of stuff. So anyway, there's lots of uses you could do with this. I mean, it doesn't have to be Halloween theme. You know, they've got so many different kinds of these little hard candies, you know, for all different holidays and themes, and you know you can make all kinds of cool stuff like coasters and stuff with candy. It's a fun project and something fun to do. So all right guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Hit that like button and that subscribe button, and if you want to see more videos in the 30 pours in 30 days series, check the link in the description box below, as well as affiliate links that help to support my channel. So thanks so much guys, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.